Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Today we're going to take one last look at the Firebird before we send it down the road. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for your notifications, and click the like button. Alright, on today's episode, we're going to take one last look at the Firebird, and what's going on with it is I've noticed that as I drive it around a little bit, the brake pedal seems to get more and more squishy, and I would go to bleed it again and I would get more air out of it. I looked around, I didn't see any fluid dripping out of any of the brakes or wheel cylinders or calipers or anything like that, and it didn't appear like the fluid level was dropping in the master cylinder. So I pulled the wheels off to take a look at it, and what I discovered is that there was just a little bit of brake fluid just sitting on the emergency brake bar inside the rear drum. So what we're going to do today is we're going to replace those rear wheel cylinders, and hopefully that'll take care of it. Hey guys, we were having an issue. I kept getting air in the lines on the rears of the Firebird, and so I pulled the drums off and took a look at the wheel cylinders here, and I was getting some leakage on both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and throw new wheel cylinders in right away to get this taken care of. When you're doing something like this, be sure to take pictures of everything so you know where all the springs go. let's do the other side. Alright, I'm not going to bore you with the details on the other side of the car. Just assume it's opposite. Same thing. Anyway, let's get out of here. Let's go take a look at a couple of cars. Alright, I'm on my way to go look at a 1958 Chevy Biscayne. This would just be a parts car. Something I would part out, and that's it. I wouldn't even attempt to get this running. Alright, I see it up there on the right. Looks like the front clip's got a lot of surface rust on it. The rest of it's kind of a turquoise color. Alright, we're here looking at this 58 Chevy. This car's pretty rough. It's got a little ventilation going on with the floors. While we were here, the guy told me he's got another one out back. Let's go take a look at that. Here's the other one. It's a 59 Biscayne. It's in about the same condition as the one up front. I love the cat-eye taillights. trans in this car. This car's got a good windshield and a good back window in it. The thing I would have to decide on these two cars is how much I could get out of them in parts, and is it worth it for the trouble it would take to haul these out of here. This one would be really difficult to get out of here. I'd probably hire a tow truck to come get this one. Alright, one side down. Oh, forgot to put the bleeder in.
Talking to yourself?
Yeah, I'm talking to myself. Yeah, always the funny man.